Hi guys. So week 5. This week, so we have week 5, 6, and 7 left. And so this week, we are starting evolution. So first, let me say I am so proud and impressed with your resiliency, the work you've done. I look and so many of you have just finished everything. You've done your best. You've watched the videos, and it's been hard, and you've taught yourself. And I feel like a very lucky teacher. So thank you guys. And I guess I don't know what else to say, but I am I am truly, truly very, very proud of all of you and the work that you have done. All right. So having said that, so we are switching gears. With evolution, I do have presentations and I could do lectures, but there that's not really very fun. So there is a really awesome video that Nova did. It's an hour and 51 minutes long, so I don't expect you to watch it this week. But how I'm going to introduce evolution, since we only have 2 weeks, we're never going to get through all of it, and that's okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you guys each week kind of focus on a few things. So this week we're going to focus on some of the evidences for evolution. So you're gonna watch the part of the video that talks about who Charles Darwin was and how he came up with the actual theory of evolution by natural selection. So Charles Darwin traveled as a very young man, and he saw all these pieces of evidence as he traveled, and he went home, and it was later that he put those evidences together to come up with the theory of evolution and the idea of natural selection. So activity 1, you are going to be watching the first about 21 minutes of the video and answering questions. So please read the background here. It's a really great video. So directions. So you want to click on the link in order to watch the video. And if you're unable to watch the video, you need to email me. If it doesn't show up, let me know immediately. I have some transcripts that I can then send to you instead. So that's actually just the written out what words happen in the video. So make sure you just watch the relevant time lengths. I am going to go in order. Like I never have you watch 30 minutes to 40 minutes before something else. So this very first one is the start to minute 21 in 2 seconds. And then I just want you to answer the questions in complete sentences, but it should be short and clear. The answers come from the video. A few of them you have to summarize what the video said and put it in your own words, possibly because they'll say it in a couple sentences. But for the most part, they should be relatively doable. When you're done, just turn them in. So, for example, describe Darwin's childhood and early life. What I would expect for you to say is, this happened in his early life. This was his childhood. This is what he did in his childhood, and this is what he did early in his life. Boom. And then what was the HMS Beagle and what was its mission? Just a quick thing on that. So, just complete sentences, but you don't need to it doesn't have to come from new ideas from your brain. It can either be summarized from the video or directly from the video that you just write out, this is what happened. So here's the video link. So you just click on that, and I'll include this in the, obviously you can't see the link, but it will take you to the video. I have to go back. Let's see. So it took me to the video. So anyway, it'll bring it to you, and maybe you can watch it on your phone while you type on the computer or vice versa. So that's the very first activity. The second one is very similar, and I'll talk a little bit about that one. If you have any questions, just let me know. Number 13 will be the hardest one, but try your best on that. And then at the very end, I do have some summary notes to kind of help you with just the evidences that Darwin found, which are the first 3, and then the evidences that we're going to discuss later. So the video itself is titled What Darwin Never Knew. So Darwin never knew about genetics, and he never knew how we can compare the genetic sequences of different organisms to see how similar they are. So that's what he didn't know. So this first part is learning what he did know. Okay, guys, so that's it. I'm going to go ahead and stop it since we're almost done out of time, and enjoy.